Today on Ghost Host Kitchen, we are making a very healthy alternative to a hamburger. We are making a cheeseburger salad. Now this has a lot of the same ingredients as you are familiar with a cheeseburger, starting of course with hamburger. It's got lettuce, it can have tomatoes if you want them, it has dressing, it has cheese. It has everything that you need for a cheeseburger salad without the bun. Save those carbs. So first you start with your hamburger meat. You want to pulverize that thing. Some recipes actually take a hamburger patty and cut them up. I like mine crumbled. You season that hamburger with salt and pepper to taste however much you like. It is completely up to you. Now, after your hamburger's cooked, you're going to make your dressing. You're looking for about 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise here. Now to that mayonnaise, you are going to add some mustard and ketchup. And then you're also going to add some additional spices like garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. You only need about 1/4 teaspoon of each of those. If you put too much in, it really can blow your taste buds away. Now for a little extra kick, we're going to make ours a smoky cheeseburger salad. So we're adding a teaspoon of liquid smoke, plus there is a secret ingredient, a teaspoon of pickle juice in this dressing. It's a fantastic dressing. It tastes wonderful. So now at this point we have our dressing done and we have our hamburger cooked. So I would like to say that the next thing we need is our lettuce. Now you're going to use about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of lettuce here. Just break it up, cut it, buy it already shredded. It's fine either way. First thing we're going to do is add a dill pickle spear. Just cut that up into little slices and throw them right onto that salad. After all, cheeseburgers have pickles. Our salad has to have a pickle as well. Okay, now while that's going on, we're going to go ahead and put that hamburger on there, top that salad off, because we're going to add ingredients on top of this. But while we do that, I'm going to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. That way you never miss a episode of Ghost Host Kitchen. Also, feel free to comment. We love your comments. We'll look forward to them. Let us know if you make this salad. Alright, now back to the salad. You see that we've added a little bit of cheese and we've topped it off with our dressing. Now to this you're going to add some bacon bits. And if you want to keep it keto or low carb, don't add any croutons. But if you want the full experience, go ahead and add a few croutons as well. There you have it. Thanks for watching another episode of Ghost Host Kitchen.